Could there be a potent pain treatment without the risk of addiction? It's closer than you think. The crisis is real. In 2002, there were roughly 10,000 opioid-related deaths in the US. In 2017, that number grew to almost 50,000. That's a 500% increase. Opioids are the most effective drugs for treatment of moderate to severe pain. Yet, there are no potent opioids on the market that are non-addictive and safe. Current opiates on the market primarily target the mu receptor in the brain, and then aggressively stimulate that receptor. These mu-targeting drugs treat pain, but when the mu receptor is overstimulated, it creates a euphoric high, which leads to addiction. So, what is the answer? While at Stanford Research Institute, Dr. John Lawson discovered a family of opioids that behave differently from other pain drugs. His discovery is a novel compound that targets all three opioid receptors in the brain, mu, kappa, and delta, and then just partially stimulates them, with only about 10% stimulation of the mu receptor. This discovery is PPL 103, a patented, safe, non-addictive, potent painkiller. Dr. Lawrence Toll, chief neuropharmacologist and a professor at Florida Atlantic University, has continued this research, with numerous in vivo studies of PPL 103 demonstrating its potential. What he has discovered is it's 10 times more potent than morphine, there's no euphoria or dysphoria, there's no addiction or physical dependence, and there's no death, even with a 350-time overdose. Thanks to the recognition and the multi-million-dollar grant from the US Army, and additional grants from the NIH and National Institute on Drug Abuse, Phoenix Pharmalabs is completing preclinical work to enter human phase 1 trials. The global market for pain therapy is more than $100 billion annually. The opioid segment is estimated to account for $35 billion of that by 2025, with a 5% annual growth rate. The Phoenix Pharmalabs team is dedicated to developing a drug that kills pain, not people. You can help by being an investor as PPL 103 moves into human clinical trials. This is one way to help find a solution to the opioid crisis that dominates our headlines, kills our citizens, and rips apart families. See the research, facts, and studies on PPL 103 at phoenixpharmalabs.com.